Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys, but this one's going to be a little bit different because इसके अंदर हम साथ में गपशप भी करेंगे, हमारी जो करंट सूरत हाल है मुल्क की और दुनिया की उसके बारे में बात भी करेंगे. I just wanted to talk to you guys. I wanted to reach out to you and I wanted you guys to reach out to me in the comments below and tell me what you're doing. आप लोग किस शहर में रहते हैं, क्या आप लोगों के क्या हालात चल रहे हैं आजकल और आपके एरिया में क्या चीज़ें की जा रही हैं, क्या मेजर्स लिए जा रहे हैं कोरोना के स्प्रेड को रोकने के लिए. सो आई थॉट हम लोग थोड़ी बहुत आपस में गपशप कर सकते हैं, साथ में हम थोड़ा मेकअप कर सकते हैं, साथ में मैं थोड़ी सी चाय पी सकती हूँ और हम इसी तरह कुछ मिनट आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ बांट लेंगे. आप में से कुछ ऐसे लोग भी होंगे जिनको शायद ये वीडियो देख के थोड़ा गुस्सा है कि मुल्क में इतना कुछ हो रहा है, कितने लोग मरे, कितना बड़ा पेंडेमिक है और इन बाजी को बैठ के भी सिर्फ मेकअप ही करना है. सो यू गाइज, दिस इज जस्ट अ वे इन विच आई लेट ऑफ स्टीम. ऑलराइट, दिस इज therapeutic for me. This is something that helps me cope with the realities of life. It's my little escape, and I know it's an escape for a lot of you girls as well. So if you don't like these kind of videos, please just feel free to go to another channel or just do something else. But अगर आप बोर हो रहे हैं घर पे, आपके पास और कुछ करने को नहीं है और you like my videos and you like hanging out with me, then keep on watching. So you guys, शुरू करूँगी मैं अपनी Jasmine Dew Mist के साथ. This is something I spritz over my face before my makeup application. I either use this or another spray which is the Claire's Fundamental Ampule Mist. अगर आप ये ज़रा प्राइसी साइड पे है, this is a little more reasonable. इसके अलावा there is this Pakistani brand called Femulush. उन्होंने मुझे अपना सैंडल फेस स्प्रे भेजा था. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो रियली गुड, लाइक जस्ट वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. इससे कोई वर्ल्ड ऑफ डिफरेंस नहीं होगा आपकी मेकअप एप्लीकेशन में. आई थिंक इट जस्ट हेल्प्स योर स्किन टू लुक बेटर. इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ वेक्स अप योर स्किन फॉर मेकअप. थोड़ी सी एक प्लम्पनेस आ जाती है एंड देन व्हाटएवर मॉइस्चराइजर यू अप्लाई ऑन टॉप, उससे वो मॉइस्चराइजर ये सारी हाइड्रेशन अंदर सील कर लेता है. सो इट जस्ट इनहेंसेस द अपीयरेंस ऑफ योर स्किन by this much. Alright, so it's not a miracle step that you must do, but if you can, that's great. कुछ नहीं मिलता है तो ठंडा पानी लेके स्प्रे कर लें. Even that works. I've done that for the longest time. So you guys, आप लोग किस शहर से हैं और आप लोगों के शहर के क्या हालात चल रहे हैं आजकल? तो बस सुबह को उठते हैं, सबसे पहला काम चेक करते हैं कि कोरोना पेशेंट्स की तादाद चेक करते हैं कि और कितने बढ़ गए. Honestly, it reached a point के दिमाग थोड़ा सा घूमना शुरू हो गया था. वैसे ये मैं कहना चाहूँगी, और आज मैं अपने दोस्तों से भी इसी बारे में बात कर रही थी कि बाकी ममालिक के अगर आप उनसे कंपेयर करें, जो इवन जो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ हैं, जो हमारी सुपर पावर समझी जाती हैं, लाइक यूएस हो गया, इंग्लैंड हो गया, उनके मुताबिक जो पाकिस्तान का फ़िलहाल कोरोना काउंट है काफ़ी इन कंट्रोल है. माशाल्लाह 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 माशाल्लाह. नज़र ना लगे, आई डोंट वांट टू जिंक्स इट, बट ऑनेस्टली लाइक मी एंड माई फ्रेंड्स वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस के यार, लाइक हमने बाकी के बहुत ज़्यादा ममालिक से बेहतर कंटेन किया हुआ है, विच इज़ आई मीन नॉट जस्ट ग्रेट ऑन आवर गवर्नमेंट बट आई थिंक ग्रेट ऑन द पीपल हु आर टेकिंग द नेसेसरी एक्शन. ऑल्दो आई ऑल्सो फील कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर नॉट टेकिंग दिस सीरियसली, हु हैव नॉट बीन टेकिंग इट सीरियसली, जिनको कुछ हद तक लॉकडाउन के बाद ही अकल आई है थोड़ी बहुत कि ये कोई सीरियस लेने वाली चीज़ है. बट वट एवर इट इज़ जस्ट आई डू फील कि हमारे नंबर्स बाकी ममालिक के हिसाब से थोड़े कम हैं. काफ़ी सारे केसेस हैं जो भी अनरिपोर्टेड होंगे, जो कुछ अरसे में हमारे सामने आना शुरू हो जाएंगे और अल्लाह खैर करे जब भी होता है. बट अभी तक मुझे उम्मीद नज़र आती है कि हम इसमें से थोड़ा जल्दी निकल आएंगे. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, आई फील लाइक व्हेन वी कम टुगेदर, एंड दिस इज़, मैं कोई दर्स नहीं देने वाली हूँ अभी, बट आई जस्ट फील कि आई बिलीव इन द पावर ऑफ प्रेयर. And I believe that as a community, when you guys come together and pray together, I feel like उस prayer की ताकत ज़्यादा होती है. I don't know, this is just me. I believe in prayers. I believe in energy. I believe in prayers. I believe in the power of prayer, and I believe in the power of energy, good energy, bad energy. I believe in different people having different vibes. I believe in a lot of these things, and I do feel like they matter a lot in the bigger picture. So it's just, I know all of us are scared, and I know all of us are constantly praying to Allah Miya and just constantly hoping for things to get better. And I feel like that goes a long way. But I do believe that Allah Ta'ala ने अगर हमें इस अज़ाब में डाला है तो उसकी भी कोई वजह होगी, और इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह ही हमें इस अज़ाब से निकालेगा. बिकॉज यू नो, अल्लाह से आप जैसी उम्मीद रखोगे आपके लिए अल्लाह वैसे ही काम करेगा. अल्लाह से हमेशा अच्छे की उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए. This is by Note Cosmetics, by the way, you guys. I don't think I've tried this yet, or maybe I have, but I'm excited to try it out. It looks pretty white and not that runny in consistency. This is how it sort of shares out. And I just want to see how this applies and what this does. It's not like a highlighter, kind of like an illuminator, but can you see, like, it does leave a sheen on your skin. So I've used the Entice Cosmetics ka bubblegum serum. I don't think I mentioned it, but I mean, that's the serum I used on my face when I was talking. And I feel like that in combination with this is just like Glass Skin Central. Oh, love it. Love it. अच्छा, तो हमारा सीन ये है कि हम मेरे अम्मी अबू का घर और मेरा ससुराल, they're like F72, F74, so it's literally जिना जो हमारी सुपरमार्केट है, एक घर एक तरफ है और एक घर उसकी ऑपोजिट तरफ है, so 1.5 मिनट लगता है अम्मी अबू के घर से ससुराल पहुँचने में. ससुराल से I'm very fortunate that my parents live so close to where I live. So they miss Alicia, my daughter, and sometimes I take her to my parents' house. Of course, we do the whole sanitizing our hands before we enter, washing our hands as soon as we reach. सिर्फ बीच में गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, वहाँ तक जाते हैं और फिर वो सारा सैनिटाइज वगैरह करके. बट आई मीन आई डू टेक माई डॉटर टू सी माई पेरेंट्स. इज़ जस्ट अलीशा इज़ जस्ट समवन जो सबका मूड बेहतर कर देती है. एंड I feel like everyone needs that, you know, someone to just lift them up or something that just lifts them up. So yeah, I do take her to meet my parents. And हमारा अभी कल परसों जब मैं उसको लेके जा रही थी, एंड मी माई हस्बैंड वो नोटिसिंग कि सड़कें बिल्कुल खाली थी और हम कोई रात के शाम के 7 बज रहे थे. एंड हम लिटरली गाड़ी में, मतलब एक हमारी गाड़ी थी सड़क के ऊपर जो एक घर से दूसरे घर जा रही थी, बट सड़क बिल्कुल खाली थी. एंड वी वर सो हैप्पी, वी वर लाइक वाओ, आई मीन दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. मैंने कभी जिना सुपर को इतना खाली नहीं देखा. सो यू नो, इस किस्म की चीज़ें देख के खुशी भी होती है कि अच्छा चलो, यू नो, कोई कर रहा है कुछ इस बारे में, लोग ध्यान कर रहे हैं. फाउंडेशन मेरे डिज़ाइन की यूज़ करूँगी 6 and 08 and 07. नहीं, मैं कौन सा यूज़ करती थी? I forgot. I had a concoction and I forgot what it was. I think I'm just going to go with 8 and 6. 08 and 06. इन फाउंडेशंस में, you guys, मेरा exact shade match सिर्फ मिक्सिंग के बाद होता है. So I'm very fortunate that I was sent all the shades because then I could find my perfect shade. But if you, obviously, I understand कि आप लोग 8 shades नहीं खरीदेंगे to find your perfect shade. This foundation is worth buying too, especially if you have dry skin. What you could do is just get one shade which you think would be your closest match, and जो थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे, अगर थोड़ा डार्क है तो लाइट कंसीलर से हाईलाइट कर लें उसको मैच करने के लिए. अगर थोड़ा लाइट है तो हल्का सा क्रीम कॉन्टोर वगैरह ज़्यादा कर लें उसको मैच करने के लिए. What I'm trying to say is there are ways around it if you don't have your perfect shade, but this foundation is worth investing in. I do highly recommend it, especially if you are someone with dry skin, which is me. Also, you guys, my dadi, she's mashallah, she's an extremely active woman. Matlab, she is more active than I am at my age. She loves going out. She's extremely outgoing. She loves meeting people. She has her own social circle, which is, I think, bigger than my social circle. It's amazing, mashallah, how much energy and zest for life she has. It's inspiring. I don't think I'll ever be like that. मैं दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी introvert हूँ. जब मैं अपनी दादी को देखती हूँ तो वो वाली feeling आती है कि wow, how does she have the energy to do all of this? Seriously, how does she have the energy to meet so many people, to keep up with so many people? मतलब कैसे आप इतने ज़्यादा लोगों की ज़िंदगी में कैसे इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हो? बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होता कि हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में इन्वॉल्व होने के लिए आपको एक खास लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. बिकॉज इफ़ यू कॉल समवन योर फ्रेंड देन दैट हैज़ टू मीन समथिंग, राइट? आई मीन इट कांट जस्ट बी काम के वक्त याद किया. हालांकि आई फील लाइक जो मेरी सबसे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके साथ मोस्टली यही होता है कि लाइक वी माइट नॉट बी इन टच or we might not meet. We are in touch because of WhatsApp, thank God, but like we don't meet every other day. But if I need them, I know they'll be there. What am I doing? मैं अपना argument खुद refute कर रही हूँ. But basically what I'm trying to say is that I feel like every new friendship that you introduce in your life, every new relationship, it requires a certain amount of energy and time and maintenance, and I don't have that. I feel like I just don't have that. And when I see my dadi, and mashallah, सबका करना, सबका ख्याल, सबका सब कुछ, आई एम जस्ट लाइक कैसे करती हैं, मुझसे नहीं हो सकता. बखैर बात ही हो रही थी कि माई दादी लव्स गोइंग आउट एंड आई थिंक ये क्वारंटीन अगर किसी के लिए बहुत मुश्किल जा रही है तो मेरी दादी के लिए जा रही है, क्योंकि उनके सारे सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ हैव कम टू अ स्टैंड स्टिल. उनको कहीं जाने की इजाज़त नहीं है. उस दिन यकीन करें, लाइक आई कॉल माई मॉम, दिस इज जब व्हेन ऑल ऑफ दिस हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड, यू नो, लाइक इस्लामाबाद में, पाकिस्तान में इट हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड. आई कॉल मामा एंड आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, I was briefing her because my mom doesn't really check social media. She doesn't watch a lot of TV. I was like, I just wanted to make sure she's on the same page. So I was briefing her कि, you know, हमें ऐसा ऐसा ख्याल करना है. तो मैं ऐसी अपनी अम्मी से बात कर रही थी कि अच्छा क्या सीन है, हम क्या करें, किस तरह से मैनेज करें. तो बातों बातों मैंने ऐसे पूछा, मैंने कहा और दादी का मोराल कैसा है. शी गोज लाइक, अच्छा आई कॉल माई दादी अम्मी जान, एंड शी गोज बेटा अम्मी जान तो कराची कंपनी गई नहीं सब्जियाँ खरीदने. एंड आई वाज लाइक, आर यू सीरियस? Like, are you serious? How did you let her go? And she's like, बस वो चली गई, हमें बाद में पता लगा कि वो निकल चुकी हैं. She doesn't have a cell phone, so obviously you can't call her. But just the thing is, you know, like my daddy was taking it very lightly at the start, and it took a lot of counseling to make her sit at home because we all know that this is scarier for aged people, right? I mean, खैर अब तो नई research और नए cases से पता लग रहा है कि नहीं, it's equally scary for everyone because even young people are getting affected by it just as easily. But I mean, we were all really scared for Dadi because she's, mashallah, she's well in her 80s. So nothing. So then, of course, like everyone sat her down and everyone talked to her, and she was very upset with all of us कि तुम लोग तो मुझे मतलब क्या है, हम कर रहे हैं अपना एहतियात, हम कर रहे हैं, but वो कोई नहीं कर रही थी. खैर, anyway, so that was that. Me on the other hand, like if you want to know how I'm doing, honestly, guys, I don't think anyone's doing really well right now because a constant stress है. As far as quarantine goes, you guys, it's not treating me too badly because the funny thing is, जब से Alicia पैदा हुई, this has been my life for the most part. I only go out when I absolutely have to, like when it's a must. Mostly, I just go to my mom's place. Like that's about it. So for me, quarantine has been just another day in the life of me. It's not something के ऑफ मेरे दिमाग को जंग लग गया है. वो तो मुझे लगता है पहले से ही लग चुका है बिकॉज आई मीन आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ adult conversations. I spend most of my time with Alicia and just, you know, family members, people at home. So I don't need like a huge variety of different people. I feel like the more people you meet, the more you're intellectually stimulated because everyone has different ideas. You get to talk about different subjects, this and that. I sort of just live within a very small bubble of people. For me, quarantine hasn't been so bad because I love staying at home. तंग भी होती हूँ कभी कभार, आई मीन नॉट गोना लाई, बट आई थिंक आई जस्ट गॉटन रियली लेजी. कौन पजामा बदल के निकला यार घर से, आई डोंट नो, जस्ट मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा काम लगता है. सो आई स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ माई डे एट होम विद अनीशा एंड दैट हैज़ बीन माई लाइफ फॉर 3 years. It's my life during quarantine, so I don't mind it as much as most people do, but I do understand. I remember when I was working and I quit my job and I had Alicia literally like a month after I quit my job. And I remember the first few months when I was literally just in my room because, you know, like if you're a new mom, you know how it goes. You have to feed the baby, you have to clean the baby, and you look like a hot mess all the time, like 24/7. So I was very depressed for some time. I still get bouts of, I wouldn't call it depression, but just I often go through periods where I feel that I could be doing more with my life and I'm not. And I don't know whether it's just because I'm lazy or because I feel limited, because when you have a child, you just sort of put her before you. And मुझे ये होता है कि okay, like if I get a job, then you know who's going to look after her while I'm away. Or even if I do have people who look after her, then I'm just going to be like, okay, then will I get enough time to spend with her? Because I don't want to neglect my YouTube and my Instagram. I mean, it's taken me a long while to get here, and I don't want to give it away. So it's just, there's so many like questions that pop up in my head that I just sort of let it go, which by the way is a song I've been listening to so much because Alicia loves that song. She loves it. She actually loves all Frozen songs, and I feel like मेरे घर पे पूरे वक्त वही चल रहे होते हैं और मुझे रट गए हैं. But I'm not allowed to sing them because only she's allowed to sing them क्योंकि वो एल्सा है और खुदा ना खासा कोई और एल्सा की कोई लाइन बोल दे या एल्सा का कोई गाना गा दे क्योंकि वो सड़ जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. I feel like this is such a weird video. Oh my god, I'm like talking about so many random things. Please let me know in the comments below if you hate this kind of stuff. Like, do you just want me to stick to makeup and, you know, just not babble away about random things? Let me know. I will not be offended. I really like these Dear Darling tints, just by the way. I thought I would throw that in there. But these are gel based. The only thing is, when you're applying these, you kind of have to be careful because they can remove the foundation you have on underneath, especially if the foundation you're wearing is more emollient. So it can move around just a little bit. So just be careful. I'm using a synthetic brush. This is Morphe N428. It's really small and it just helps me be quite precise when applying this. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is the shade C12. And I make sure to get the inner part of the eye right here because this is where I am very dark. Also, you guys, I started working out after 5 years, 4 years, after a long time. I hadn't been working out at least a year or year and a half before I had Alicia. And I did not work out after I had her, so I have not had any exercise. And I'm a very inherently lazy person, so मेरे लिए मैं वो हूँ जिसको अगर आप सोफे के ऊपर से उठा के कहेंगे मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ तो मैं उस पर भी शक्ल बनाऊंगी. But I've started exercising and I'm glad I did because I've noticed that pollen season is not hitting me as hard this time because I'm exercising. Normally it just took a couple of steps for me to start wheezing and feeling short of breath, but now I'm getting some cardio in. I feel like my lung capacity has already started looking a little bit better and I tire less easily than before. And I'm not coughing as much because I remember last year around this time I could not film videos. I mean, and even if I did film videos, for the most part my videos को chop करके जिनके अंदर मैं वाला जो एक पार्ट आता था मेरा उनको मैं chop करके हटा रही थी. I was like, nobody wants to see this. Nobody wants to see me look like a 90-year-old woman who can't breathe. That's not pretty. That's not what people come to my channel for. Anyways, so this year, alhamdulillah, that has been, oh my god, this concealer is actually very nice. I don't know why I stopped wearing this. I know I stopped wearing this. I haven't worn this in a while, but I'm trying to remember why. Does this crease on me a lot? इसलिए मैंने पहनना छोड़ा था ये. Because it's quite natural. I think the shade is quite natural on me and it's done a pretty decent job. चलो थोड़ा highlight भी कर लेते हैं. वैसे मेरा इरादा नहीं था. This is the shade C9. Same concealer. And by the way, you guys, I have just been using my hands a lot to do. I'm not doing anybody else's makeup, unfortunately, because of this whole situation. But on myself, I just use hands. I cannot bother cleaning brushes aajkal. Just wash and sanitize my hands before I sit down to do my makeup. So what do you guys miss the most these days? I mean, वो वाली realization हो रही है कि हम आम जिंदगी में कितनी चीज़ों को for granted लेते हैं. But honestly, I'm just missing doing makeup on other people's faces. That's, I think, my number one. Because like I've told you, like I don't go out much anyway. It's just my work. Please, इसके ऊपर मुझे नीचे कुछ कहना ना शुरू कर दीजिएगा कि आपको सिर्फ अपने मेकअप की पड़ी है. I've heard this from so many people on Instagram. It's crazy how people are just so quick to judge and just make you feel crappy when all you wanted to do was help other people not feel crappy. That's sad. Oh, by the way, what I'm using right now is a Becca Skin Love Glow Stick. This is literally like a transparent highlighter. It's not even, it's just cream, pretty much. It's liquid gorgeousness. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't know, I don't know if the camera's picking up on it. But it is this beautiful product that I do not use enough of. And I just wanted to whip it out today and show you guys what this looks like. So, can you see that? It's pretty good, right? For my lips, I am going to use, okay, now this is a Christine lip liner. This is Milo 321 is the shade. And the lipstick that I'm going to apply on top is Maybelline Almond Rose. This is the shade 565. And I'm not going to go in like this. I'm just going to take some on my finger. Pat, pat, pat. I think every time you apply lipstick using your fingers, you just get like a more natural look to your lips. And then whatever's left, you can just take some on your cheeks. We haven't powdered yet, so I'm good to use cream products on my cheek. So you get some monochromaticness going on. It's always a nice idea to have your lips match your cheeks anyway. Oh, but I actually wanted to show you guys a very, very pretty gloss from The Balm Cosmetics. It's called Aloha. This is the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain. I've mentioned this before. These do not stain your lips. These are practically just lip glosses. I don't know why they're calling them stains. I really want to show you this color. It's this... it's so pretty and bright, but like fresh. Not bright, just fresh. I love it. Is this not the most beautiful gloss in the world? I'm so glad I showed you guys this, even though it completely negated the lip liners and the lipsticks that we applied underneath, because this is a color that's sort of overpowered all of that, but that's fine. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm thinking I'm just going to use this palette by Revolution Pro. This is the shade Entranced. I really like this. It has a lot of my kind of colors. I use this shade a lot, which is Captivated, which is like this muted lilac-y mauvey purple. So pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Trance, which is this light pink, and just sort of dust it across my lids. Just taking some more. Oh my god, you guys, I think this is all I'm going to do. Just add lots of mascara. Because this is not bad. Just one shadow, sweep it across your eye. Minimum makeup, no fuss. And this is an Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara in Extreme Black. Also, you guys, another tip. So if you want your lashes to really stand out in a makeup look, what you can do is use like a lighter shade, preferably a shimmer shade, but I think what I'm going in with is just matte. And just hit the area right behind the lashes so that your lashes really stand out in contrast to that light shade. Does that make sense? But just the area behind the lashes, not like all across the lid. And that really helps your eyelashes to pop. Actually, you guys, brow pomades are something I use a lot, and I really like the one by Zoosh, but if you ask me to compare this to the Zay Beauty one that I have, I like the Zay Beauty one more. One reason is that it comes with a powder as well as a pomade, so you get two really handy products in one. The other reason is I feel like the Zoosh one dries out very easily. Matlab, I've barely used this, and I make sure that once I've gotten the product out, I close the lid right away so it doesn't get any air into it, but it just dries out. It dries out so quickly. And I mean, of course, you can use an Inglot Duraline to sort of really juice it up and get more use out of it, but it's just annoying, you know what I mean? So if you have to buy a brow pomade and you want to invest in something local, I suggest you go with the Zay Beauty one. I feel like you will get more bang out of your buck. Powder. So I'm going to use the Kryolan translucent powder. You guys, I really like this. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do. And I'm just taking like the tiniest bit on my brush and just putting it on the center of my face. I'm trying to avoid the areas जहाँ पे मैंने वो highlighter लगाया था, Becca वाला, the snow glazed. Okay guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. If you've liked this video, make sure to thumbs up the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you ring the notification bell so you're notified every time I post new content, which is not as regular as I would love for it to be. This was fun for me. This was therapeutic for me. I don't know, but I feel this weird connection every time I talk into the camera now. Like I think I'm getting used to it. अब मुझे वो वाली feeling नहीं आती कि मैं कैमरे से बातें कर रही हूँ. अब मुझे लग, you know, because some of you actually do watch my videos and you guys do comment underneath, let me know what you think. तो मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा लोग सुन रहे हैं, लोग देख रहे हैं, लोग बात कर रहे हैं. So you know, it feels more like a conversation and not just like a one-way road. And I really, really, really appreciate that. So please do leave your comments. I do read all of them and I do try to answer all your queries. I even read all the hate comments. I've just mainly gotten them on that one video, the Miss Rose Valley, which will probably leave me like traumatized for a while, I think. But it's fine. It's all cool. And yeah, you guys, keep yourself safe. Make sure you're listening to all the things the government is asking you to do. So, घर के अंदर रहिए, हाथ मुसलसल धोइए. अगर आप घर पे हैं और आप हाथ धो रहे हैं तो 20 सेकंड के लिए धोइए. If you are going outside, do take your sanitizer with you. And you guys do try to disinfect things around the house whenever you get the chance. Try to do it at least once a day. Do read social media, do watch the news, but don't overdo it. दिमाग की दही बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पैनिक नहीं करनी, बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान नहीं होना. बस इतना परेशान होना है कि आप अपने घर वालों का एहतियात कर सकें, अपने आप को और अपने मुल्क के लोगों को बचा के रखें. Okay guys, this is fun. I will see you again next time. Bye.